In this video, I'll show you how to build useful automations with a tiny iBeacon gadget you can carry everywhere in Home Assistant. So what exactly is an iBeacon? iBeacon is a technology Apple introduced back in 2013. It's built on Bluetooth Low Energy, BLE, and it's designed for one thing: indoor positioning. Here's how it works. An iBeacon device, like the one we're using with Home Assistant, sets up a signal zone. Once the tiny iBeacon gadget enters that zone, Home Assistant picks up its signal even in the background. And because it's based on BLE and Bluetooth is already built into virtually every phone and tablet out there, iBeacon works with almost any device right out of the box. No extra hardware needed. The key feature of iBeacon is micro-positioning. It doesn't give you GPS coordinates. Instead, it tells you roughly how far you are from the beacon by measuring signal strength. That's what makes it perfect for smart home use. So what can you actually do with it? iBeacon gives your smart home one powerful piece of information: presence. Are you here or are you not? And with just that, you can build all kinds of automations. Walk into a room, lights turn on. Leave the house, everything shuts off. Get a notification when someone arrives, adjust the thermostat based on who's home. It's not about tracking a device, it's about making your home respond to you. Setup is super simple. Open Home Assistant, go to Settings, Devices and Services, click Add Integration and search for Apple. You'll see iBeacon Tracker right there, click it and you're done. My iBeacon device is called CP101-C809. It has distance, power, signal strength, vendor, and device tracker. We're going to focus on two of them: distance and device tracker. Let's go through both, starting with distance. You'll notice the number jumps constantly. 1 second it's 2 meters, then 5, then 3. Why? Because iBeacon doesn't measure distance with a ruler. It estimates distance based on signal strength, RSSI, and Bluetooth signals bounce off walls, furniture, even your own body. So the reading fluctuates. Don't trust the exact number. Treat it as a rough indicator. Is the beacon getting closer or farther away? Next, device tracker. This one shows home or away. Here's how it works. When Home Assistant receives the beacon signal, it marks the device as home. But if the signal disappears for a while, maybe you walked too far or the beacon got blocked, Home Assistant can't find it anymore, and the state flips to away. It doesn't mean the device is broken, it just means I lost sight of it. Now, let's put this iBeacon gadget to work. Here are some practical automations I've come up with. First up, keeping track of family. Here's the thing. Young kids usually don't have phones, and elderly parents often forget to carry theirs. So attach the iBeacon gadget to their keychain instead. Set up two automations. One sends you a notification when they leave home, another when they arrive. So if grandpa heads out and your son comes back from school, your phone tells you right away, even when you're not there. Next automation is for your pets. Clip the iBeacon onto your cat or dog's collar. If they ever slip out the door, Home Assistant catches it the moment the signal drops and pings your phone immediately. And here's another idea: automatic garage door. Stick the iBeacon inside your car. When you pull into the driveway, Home Assistant sees the signal and the garage door opens before you even reach it. By the way, I've put together the YAML code for automations, link in the description. Which automation do you think is the most useful? Let me know in the comments. As always, your likes and subscribes keep me going. Thanks for watching.